Welcome everybody to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon, including KN94s. Today we're looking at a ton of KN94s and they are not disappointing, friends. They are just not. We are looking today at the Kyungin Flax mask. Sounds like some sort of dietary supplement of some kind. I'm not really sure, but let's see if it's a good mask too. Oh, I switched to the wrong camera there. All right, we're going to put this in the clamper. Love KF94's packaging. They're always in these like nice individually packed things, which I think is just great. I actually usually keep KF94s in my car and in my suitcase and things like that. Just because in case I need a mask and I don't have one of my masks, my packaging just isn't as good, to be honest. Good clamp. And we will let her rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. Let's talk about this mask, the I can't say it, Flax. We're just going to call it Flax mask. So really excited that Amazon has just blown up recently with KF94s. These did not exist a couple of months ago. Very excited that those manufacturers are finding a place on Amazon because they're really good. And in fact, I would say they have great safety. Great safety. Anti-trouble skin. Anti-trouble skin. I don't know. I don't know, but easy breathing, I get that one. Great packaging. All right, let's try this. Oh, I was right. Flax. It's the Flax mask. Flax mask. Oh, wow, that's great. Well, I gave it too much. That's not fair. Not fair. Let's try another one here. White on white, on white, on white. On. Okay. Great nose wire. Oh, this mask smells like a citrus delight. Just like a beautiful, bright. I'm gonna give this one best smelling mask of the day for sure. There's a little bit, feels like it could be a little bit tighter on me, but wow, it's great. It's just very fresh. I wonder if they're adding something there. It smells almost too good, worries me. But does that matter if it doesn't protect you? Let's check out the results. Timmy, that's the name of the machine, by the way. The filtration efficiency, wow, 99.661, 99.661. Oh, what? Oh man, I missed this one. So I'm actually gonna just show you. Hey, Flax, wanted to recommend you. But this is not good. What did you see that, 245? So an N95 has to be, oh wow, below 250 to pass the N95 test. That one was spiking above for a minute. The filtration's great, but you do have to balance filtration with breathability because air will find a way. And if something, I mean, if you put a brick on your face, 100% filtration, but also 0% breathability. So yeah, this is too high for me to recommend this mask. Flax mask. Wanted to recommend you. Unfortunately, I cannot. There are better breathing KF94 masks out there. We'll put a link to all the tests we've done. You can see for yourself. You can find them, almost all of them, on Amazon. Hey, that's just a sad way to end a day, to be honest. Flax mask. I'm sorry. Next time. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Give me a like or subscribe if you want, or if you don't. I mean, I think you should just look inside yourself about what makes you such an angry person. Contemplate on that, and I will catch you on the next test.